Hi, I'm Matthew. I'm from the Singapore Institute of Technology and have been a robotics automation intern at SLS Bearings for about 1 year now. So, during my internship, I was given an opportunity to be part of the team in a major bottle repackaging robotic line project, which was showcased during the SLS Customer Day event at Suntec Convention Hall. It was a complex system in a real-world industrial setting, very challenging, but it was very rewarding as well. So we worked as a team and I have learned a lot in the process of setting everything up. I also had opportunities to provide product guidance and training with my colleagues, our partners and customers in a way that accommodates different levels of understanding. With that, I was able to drastically improve my communication skills. We had many projects during my internship in SLS. The collaborative work environment and the opportunity to work in interesting projects had a significant impact on my decision. So accepting a full-time position here in SLS was a no-brainer, because I want to continue contributing to meaningful projects and to develop my skills further. It's more or less like having fun at work. So I am actually looking forward to more opportunities to contribute myself in more complex projects, so as to expand my technical skills further. And it's not just working hard in SLS, but also playing hard as well. So we had fun events like the Learning Fiesta, our charity event. And just recently, I've attended a Halloween themed party hosted by the company. Lots of food, lots of fun games to enjoy. Oh, and the best part was seeing some of my colleagues from other departments dressing up, to embrace the Halloween spirit. It was really fun. I would also like to take this opportunity to give my thanks to my supervisors, Anthony and Chong. Your expertise, guidance, and support has helped me grow professionally and personally. I have really enjoyed my stay as an intern in SLS, and I look forward to being in the same team with you guys soon. See you guys soon.